Learning about different lizards reveals their amazing traits and habitats, from colorful chameleons to agile geckos. Each one shows fascinating adaptations. Let's explore together. Bearded dragon. The bearded dragon uses its spiky throat pouch to show dominance and communicate in the hot deserts of Australia. Tokay gecko. Known for its loud tokay call, the tokay gecko has sticky toe pads that let it climb smooth walls with ease. Jackson's chameleon. Jackson's chameleon males grow three horn-like structures, earning them the nickname, the triceratops of lizards. Blue-tongued skink. The blue-tongued skink flashes its bright blue tongue to scare off predators in a clever survival trick. Frilled lizard. Famous for its dramatic neck frill, the frilled lizard can sprint upright on two legs to escape danger. Anole. Anoles can rapidly change their skin color, making them living mood rings of the reptile world. Horned lizard. Often called the horned toad, this lizard can actually squirt blood from its eyes as a defense mechanism. Plumed basilisk. The plumed basilisk is nicknamed the Jesus Christ lizard because it can run across the surface of water. Green iguana. Green iguanas are skilled climbers and often bask high in trees to soak up the sun's energy. Chameleon. Chameleons can move their eyes independently, giving them a full 360-degree view of their surroundings. Leopard gecko. The leopard gecko is a popular pet lizard known for its spotted skin and ability to vocalize with tiny chirps. Spiny lizard. Spiny lizards get their name from their rough, spiked scales that help them blend into rocky habitats. Uromastyx. Uromastyx, also called spiny-tailed lizards, thrive in deserts and survive by feeding mostly on plants. Brown anole. The brown anole is an adaptable reptile that can change shades of brown to blend into its surroundings. Day gecko. Day geckos are brilliantly green lizards that are active in daylight and use sticky toes to climb smooth surfaces. Skink. Skinks are sleek reptiles with shiny, smooth scales that help them glide through grass and soil with ease. Collared lizard. The collared lizard is famous for its bright colors and speed, often running on two legs like a tiny dinosaur. Basilisk. Nicknamed the Jesus Christ lizard, the basilisk can actually run across water using its long toes. Monitor lizard. Monitor lizards are powerful predators with forked tongues, often compared to mini dragons of the reptile world. Common lizard. The common lizard is Europe's only native reptile, often basking in the sun to regulate its body temperature. Italian wall lizard. The Italian wall lizard is a fast climber often spotted basking on sunny stone walls across Europe. Eastern fence lizard. The eastern fence lizard is known as the Psiloporus, with rough scales and a striking blue belly in males. Mediterranean house gecko. The Mediterranean house gecko is a nocturnal lizard that hunts insects around lights in warm climates. Thai water monitor. The Thai water monitor is a giant lizard that thrives near rivers and has a powerful tail for swimming. Nile monitor. The Nile monitor is one of Africa's largest lizards, using its sharp claws and forked tongue to explore its habitat. Komodo dragon. The Komodo dragon is the world's largest lizard, armed with a venomous bite and unmatched hunting skills. Cuban night anole. The Cuban night anole is a bright green lizard with a large throat fan, active mainly during the day. Madagascar day gecko. The Madagascar day gecko is a brilliant emerald green reptile famous for licking nectar with its long tongue. Common chameleon. The common chameleon can rotate its eyes independently, giving it a 360-degree view of its surroundings. Five-line skink. The five-line skink is recognized by its blue tail in young lizards, which distracts predators during attacks. Red-eyed crocodile skink. The red-eyed crocodile skink has dragon-like scales and bright orange eye rings that make it look prehistoric. Rough green snake. The rough green snake isn't a lizard but often included in reptile videos, known for its bright green body and excellent climbing skills. Desert horned lizard. The desert horned lizard has crown-like horns and can squirt blood from its eyes to confuse predators. California alligator lizard. The California alligator lizard is a long-bodied reptile with powerful jaws and a tail that can regenerate. Caribbean anole. The Caribbean anole shows off dazzling colors and territorial displays with its extendable throat fan. Collared gecko. The collared gecko is a small, nocturnal reptile that uses its patterned skin for camouflage in rocky deserts. Madagascar ground gecko. The Madagascar ground gecko has earthy patterns that blend perfectly with the forest floor. Tegu. The tegu is a large, intelligent lizard from South America, famous for its dog-like behavior and adaptability. Beaded lizard. The beaded lizard is one of the only venomous lizards in the world, with bead-like scales covering its body. Blue spiny lizard. The blue spiny lizard shines under the sun with vivid blue patches on its body during the breeding season. Solomon Island skink. The Solomon Island skink is the world's largest skink, living in family groups high in the trees. Emerald tree monitor. The emerald tree monitor is a slender, bright green lizard that uses its long tail to balance while climbing. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe our channel Infomillion.